Yes, today morning at 7 o'clock I came to know that our Girijan leader is being murdered while he was walking in a park. So even though he was given sufficient warning that there are persons who can harm you physically, but he said I didn't, gave any sort of difficulty to anybody. So for few days he was cautious, Chandu, who is a victim. So along with some 6-7 persons he was, but then afterwards he said it is not necessary, nobody will touch me. So in the morning when he went, then suddenly they pounced upon, first of all with a sharp weapon, then afterwards bullets. Then after two blank, then two pyres into, then finally once again they came and then they thought that fellow may regain consciousness because he is physically enough, his potentiality. So they came and then once again on the head, bullet also. So that is how he succumbed. So he was a leader not only, even though he hails from, Girijan family, hails from Achampet, Mahbubnagar. He came and settled. Now his son is there in Canada. His two daughters are there. So he's a very learned LLB and then great asset to our party, Communist Party of India. So we lost a very good is a cadre who can serve not only among Girijans but to the all sections.